Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your panoramic sunroof in the all-new 2023 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an EX all-wheel drive in steel gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the button for the panoramic sunroof is right up here in the ceiling, right in the very center. So this is a two-function button depending on how hard we press or pull the button. So right now, the shade is closed and the window is closed. So if I were to lightly pull back, then just the shade is gonna go ahead and open. Look at those clouds. Then, if I were to pull that again, then the window is gonna go ahead and open. So once that stops, now the panoramic sunroof is fully open, shade and window. So then I'm gonna go ahead and do a hard push toward the front of the vehicle, and that's going to close the window, and it's already bringing the shade forward too. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a light pull again just to open the shade. And while that goes back, I'm gonna go ahead and push the button up into the ceiling. And what that's going to do is that's going to then just prop the back of the sunroof up so they'll allow some fresh air in without letting everything in. And then if I lightly push that forward, it will then close the back of the sunroof, but the shade is still open. And if I were to press it forward again, the shade will start to close, and you can interrupt the shade at whatever spot you want. So if you want to allow just light in the front, for example, you can have it stop so it doesn't go the full way and there's no extra light going on in the back of the vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it to open it fully so we can step outside and see what this looks like open. And this is it fully open here. And you do have like kind of a bug shield up in the front, so it's gonna catch a lot of stuff so that it's not flying into the cabin. If you had your sunroof open and you went to go exit the vehicle, so I'm gonna turn it off, and it's gonna ping on there just to remind us that the sunroof is still open. So even if it's open like literally 2 millimeters, it's still gonna ping on there to let you know, just so that you can fully close it properly so you don't have any, water or anything you don't want coming inside. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing if you're enjoying our content. Also, all of our social media links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.